Further inspection, the top here is level, but on the side where there's a dent, we have those two dents there, there, and there. This is up a bit and the whole thing is really loose and we can't get it to go down. And the gap between the refrigerator doors here is pretty large. It is bigger than the gap you see down here, which looks like probably the appropriate amount. And again, the model number on this one is here. So here you can see that it looks uneven versus the other side here, where it's very even in a small space. Whereas that clearly looks different. And this hinge also looks a bit bent.
Smaller gap here versus there.
You can tell that gap is much smaller. And the resistance in the door is different. Where's this one?